Hi, I'm Robert Bolin with Texsource Incorporated in Kings Mountain, North Carolina. We're getting ready to take the industry by storm.
Hey guys, what's going on? Maggie from M&R here. Today we are visiting the newest addition to the M&R family, the wonderful people of Texsource Screen Printing Supplies. Code Blue, I'm taking over Texsource today. Let's go. The newest addition to the M&R family.
Thank you.
Thanks for having us.
Really been able to pick up a lot of sales based on our private label.
I am excited. M&R's got a lot to offer. It's actually been a lot of fun for us with M&R. Everybody's that screen prints has burned a pallet. So that's why we came up with the topic, Burning Pallets Podcast.
That's smart.
What's up, screen printers? Ryan here with Texsource, and we got some big news for you guys. We're now part of M&R.
We're excited to be a part of the M&R Blue Crew now. With the equipment that they offer, the sky's the limit with Texsource. You guys have seen me in the past in a lot of YouTube videos, Instagram, a lot of how-tos. It's gonna be even more now with the type of M&R equipment that we'll be able to put videos out with. Our salesmen are excited. We have them in North Carolina, Georgia, all across the entire eastern seaboard. We have salesmen, and they are all excited for this next step in the industry for us.
They have so much to offer Texsource and our customers in so many different ways. So thank you guys for checking us out.